Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Insinuating Ayush.
Subscribe the YouTube channel Insinuating Ayush and press the bell icon to get further notifications for the latest updates of the videos first.
So in today's video I'll be telling you that how can you make a beautiful craft work by turning an old diya into a very beautiful crab where you can keep your stationery or your jewelries.
So let's take a quick view to all the materials needed to make this crab.
So first of all I'll be starting by taking a diya. I have dipped it into a water for about half an hour so that it can soak the water properly. Now the next I'm taking few fabric colors, different size of paintbrush, pencil or marker. You can use hot glue gun or Fevicol, a white sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, a newspaper, and last pieces of cardboard.
So this is to tell you that we are about to start.
So guys, here I'm starting by taking a diya. So now I'll be taking red color and I'm gonna color the diya completely by using the red color. So the reason I soak the diya into the water is that the water should soak into the diya so that it should not use my color so much. So here I've completely colored my full diya by using the red color. So here I'm making the circle. I'll be making two circles to make the eye of the crab. Here I will be suggesting you that you can use any color to make your crab look more artistic, but I prefer making it by red color. So here I'll be cutting two eyes out of one circle. So now I'll be just folding the paper and with the help of the scissor I'll be cutting. So here I already did that. So now I'll be taking blue color and I'm just gonna do the outline of the circle. Here you can use a blue marker, but I'll suggest you using color. So here is something how you need to do. So I've repeated the same process on the another one also. So now I'll be taking a few black color. Here I've added black color to the cap. So now the next I'll be making the eyeballs. So for the eyeballs I've again taken that same brush and with the help of the brush I'm drawing a small circle to make the pupil. So it is done. So repeating the same process on the another I have done. Even I have added a few white dots to make the eyes look more adorable. So now with the help of the Fevicol I'll be pasting the eyes parallel to each other as well as equally. So here you can arrange it yourself. You can choose any other side you want it paste. You can adjust the eyes upward or in a lower direction. So here I have pasted the eyes also. Now again I'm taking that same sheet. So here are the claws that we need to draw of the crab. So I have already drawn on our cardboard, but I'm going to show you this is something you need to draw. So here I'm going to repeat the process on my cardboard. So I've already cut it out. So now I'll be taking red color and I've colored two of them because I need to make two claws for one crab. So now with the help of a hot glue gun I'll be just pasting out the claws. So here's the way you need to paste the claws. It was so tough task for me to paste the claws, but somehow I managed to paste the claws. Here is something you need to paste. So I have made one stick from the newspaper. So now what I'm just gonna do is that I'm will be making the legs for the crabs. So follow the same process. That's how you need to make the legs for the crab. after everything is done and our color is also gotten dry. So now again I'll be pasting it with the help of my hot glue gun. So here I'll be sharing you one tip. Paste the legs that should touch the ground, but it should not too much near to the ground. I mean, it should be little bit higher to the ground. So here is a final look that you need to make. For today, if you like the video, then do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for the latest updates of the videos, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and with your families, and share your feelings about this video in the comment section. So guys, I know that it is a very high time where you need to take so much of the precautions and you need to take so much of the care of yourself as well as of your families. Hence I'll pray to God that you all will stay fine and stay safe. Till then, bye bye guys.